y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about my staple favorite summer products that I love to use. We're going to be talking about bronzers, highlighters, blush, a lot of cool products that you guys have probably seen before but probably haven't really seen me use on my channel, because I like to save these products for the summer months, and we're about to hit summer. It was almost 90 degrees today in Georgia. So if you want to know what my summer go-tos are, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so let's start off with bronzers. So one of my favorite drugstore bronzers is of course the butter bronzer. This is like a cult favorite. If you're not using this, you need to try it. You can pick it up at your local Target. But you guys can see I'm just gonna like pretty much douse my whole entire body in bronzer. So next up I have two high-end bronzers. I did use a little bit of MAC Give Me Sun. Now I do have to be careful with this because I can go from 0 to 100 Oompa Loompa if I use too much. And also for the Urban Decay Beach bronzer, I know this guy right here doesn't get much love. I have hit pan on it and I really enjoy it. So next up we have are these Extra Dimension blushes by MAC. I'm using the shade Hush Tone, and if you are a heavy-handed person like me, you can go really ham into these. And I'm telling you, like when the sun hits your cheek, you honestly don't really have to wear highlighters with this, but if you want to add extra sparkle to your cheek, highlighter will definitely be popping with this. But it's been my go-to recently. I don't have right now currently a really like shimmery satiny drugstore blush, but if you can leave me some recommendations down in the comments, let a girl know. So of course we saved the best for last, highlighters. Now we have first up the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. If y'all haven't tried this, I'm gonna need for y'all to get off this video, head to your nearest Ulta Target and pick it up. It's that good, guys. Now this is a cult favorite, and I mean cult favorite. It's the ANASTASIA amrezy highlighter. If y'all have it, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you guys can get your hands on this, I know it's currently sold out pretty much everywhere, but if you can find it, pick it up. It is worth every single penny. And now we are going to use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter. Yes, it can be intimidating with that yellow highlighter. Yes, I know not all of us can wear a yellow highlighter, but for me, I love to have it like a highlighter topper. I just use my brush and just like slightly dip into it like a couple times, tap it onto my cheekbones, onto my nose, onto my forehead, onto my chin, just to give a really just extra glow. And the yellow really doesn't really pop as much as you would think, but if you go really lightly with it, it'll really give your highlighter an extra dimension. Alrighty guys, so those are my go-to bronzers, blushes, and highlighters for the summertime. Let me know in the comments down below, what are your staple makeup products? I want to know. But that is going to be it for this one, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!